Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. So today's video, I had an intro for, and you couldn't hear it. I cranked up the volume, I did all the things, and for some reason you could not hear me. So I'm making a new intro. This is that intro. So recently I was on Premiere.com and they had a bunch of new yarns. Premiere Basics had 16 new colors. That's all I needed to know. 16 new colors. So of course, I bought a few. So Premiere Yarns came out with 16 new colors of their Basics acrylic. It is their value acrylic. It is one of their best lines. It is a worsted weight value acrylic. It is not very expensive and it comes in now 16 brand new colors. And I got 13. I didn't get all 16 and I tried to come up with a reason to have each one of these, but I got 13. So I can at least show you 13 in person. The only ones I did not get are Artichoke, Bright Orange, and Merlot. I will have them pictured up here so you can see what they look like. And everything else, let's go. Okay, so Premiere Basics, the value acrylic, I will just give you the specs. Remember, all of these are the same. 359 yards, nice. 100% acrylic, tested and approved. And the color is Sunny. Isn't that a great yellow? Look at that yellow. That is a great yellow. Oh, so bright. So it's Sunny. Okay. Next is Orchid. Dark Purple. Rouge. Cadet. And most of these do have center pull. Powder Blue. Carolina Sky. Twilight. And blue, just blue. Mint. Holly. Thyme. And the last one is Celery. And this one over all the others is the softest. I have no idea why. I don't know if it was just kind of a fluke in the batch, but normally they have a slightly stiff feeling to them, but still soft. And of course they soften up in the wash really nicely. This one just feels crazy soft, and I don't know why, but I love it. So those are the 16 new colors of Premier Basics. But those are not the only new yarns. If you saw any of my shorts recently, then you know that Parfait came out with some new yarns. Let's look at those. Premier Parfait Chunky is a very, very popular chenille yarn right now, and they came out with a limited edition color set. So they have all of these colors here that I will put on the screen right now. I only got 5 of the new limited edition colors, and they also came out with a neon line, and I got 3 of their neons. So we are going to look at the limited edition colors and the neon colors. First, we're going to look at neon. This is Parfait Chunky Neon. So far, this is not labeled as limited edition, so I'm pretty sure this will kind of last on the website for a while. So first, the specs: 131 yards. It is a super bulky 6. They recommend an 8mm knitting needle and an 8mm crochet hook. Not if you're doing amigurumi with this, which is what a lot of people do with it. Let's see. Tested and approved against 350 plus harmful substances. Machine wash warm and lay flat to dry. If you have an iPhone and you take a picture of a laundry label, you can actually hit the info button and find out exactly how you're supposed to wash it. See here? That's what those symbols mean. Did you know that? Well, now you do. So, this is the color Proton Purple. It looks more pink, and it does in person as well. But they've got a pink next to it, and when you see the two next to each other, this looks more purple. So this is Neon Flamingo. Oh yeah, that's bright. So here's the Proton Purple. See, now you see it. Now it looks purple. And one more. Blaze Orange. Woo! Halloween, anyone? Or 80s? The limited edition colorway is just the normal Parfait Chunky, but they are specific colors that were personally picked by the Premier staff. So that's interesting to me. You will see that these colors are basically the color wheel, the standard color wheel, except there's no red. And the pink is dull. And then there's 2 random neutral tones. It's a very interesting limited edition set, I have to say, so I only got the colors that interested me. So first we have Summer Squash. Ooh, look at that beautiful yellow. Oh yeah. Rock Candy. Acai, like acai berry. Seaweed Salad. Carrot. It needs red. This set needs red. It would be perfect if it had red. There is a red on the website that's just part of their normal line, but it's sold out. So maybe they didn't create a red because they already had one. I don't know. But I did not get the 2 neutrals, and I did not get the pink. It did not interest me. It seemed very dull compared to all these bright, beautiful, bold colors. So I didn't get the pink. But that is some of the new yarns from Premier. Which one was your favorite? Let me know down below. Are you interested in getting any of these? I will link Premier's website down below. I am not affiliated with Premier as of yet. Maybe one day. But I thought it would make it easier on you guys, and so I linked the website down below in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.